Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. So in today video I will discuss my last setup. So my last setup was 22 August. Okay. So first of all, when I'm start my day, so I am check daily time frame. Okay. So in daily time frame my bias is bullish. Okay. Because if you see here is our see if you mark the structure. Okay. So here is our structure start. This is our low. This is our movement and market going up. And this is our order block, market sale and going up. So now my target is almost my bias is bullish. Okay. And my target is almost this high. First of all, because this is a daily swing. Okay. This is our daily swing. So my first target is this swing. And my next target was this swing. Okay. So I'm going to M15. So in M15, I check and mark liquidity areas. Okay. So this is our last swing liquidity. Okay. Because in M15 market structure is term. Understand? There is time frame alignment. Okay. In M15 my structure is down, but my daily bias is bullish. Okay. So I'm waiting for market come and liquidity sweep this area because for M15 buyers, this is our last POI. Okay. See, market create a range and after a range breakout. So many early sellers upon a short trade like this when this breakout happened and retest like this. But my bias is bullish. I tell my setup. Okay. So see when this mm, yeah, when this liquidity sweep, okay, when this liquidity sweep, so I am move on M1. Okay. So I mark this is my liquidity. Okay. So after liquidity, I'm waiting for structure shift. See how momentum. When this momentum, so I will mark this is my fair value gap. Okay. And I am open a pending set pending order like here and my was here. Okay. See. And my target was first this equal liquidity. Okay. But unfortunately this setup was failed. Okay. I teach you why this setup failed and you don't mistake like this. Okay. So see market touch come back and retest. See my setup was now I teach you why this setup was failed and I I don't know why I not check H4. Okay. In H4 if you see here is our fair value gap. Okay. So this is my mistake. I don't understand why I am not check H4. I know my bias is bullish. Okay, I am finding a buy entry, but I am not check H4. Okay, so this is my fair value gap, but I am not. This is my fair value gap, but I am not check H4. Okay, so then I am going to M1 when I realize my mistake. This is my mistake. Okay, so after this, this one setup might fail. Okay, so I'm waiting for proper structure shift. Okay. Okay, so this is our swing high and this is our swing low and this is our inducement. Okay, so after inducement, see, this is our inducement, and after inducement our low was confirmed. Okay, when inducement fulfilled, so this is our recent low. Okay, so my first entry was here. Okay, see, this is our volume imbalance. Okay, if you see, this is our volume imbalance and this is our like order block, or you can call demand area. Okay. But my criteria is after inducement market must minor structure shift. Okay, so this is our minor structure shift and this one is our mega. Okay, this one is our major structure. Okay, so I'm not enter here. I'm waiting for market structure shift, then I will enter. Okay, see, market come, and this one is our first setup, but I'm not interested in this setup. Okay, I'm waiting proper market structure shift and retest, fill our fair value gap and continue going up. Okay, so this is my first setup, but I'm not play this setup. Okay, see, here is our minor structure was shift. Okay, so after minor structure was shift, this one is our fair value gap. Okay, and here is my pi entry like this, and my SL was here almost 15 pips. Okay, and my first target was this equally swing. Okay, let's see, our minor structure was shaped but market not come back to fill this gap. Okay, but I am waiting. Okay, so the major structure was shaped here. Okay, see, this is our major structure was shaped, and also here is our fair value gap. Okay, this one is our fair value gap. Okay, and if you see, here is like volume imbalance. Okay, see, volume imbalance. So again, I am set my pending order here on like here, and my was here. Okay, and my target is this time. My first target was this high. Okay, and my next target was this high, or almost I mark this high, or also I set my target according to 50 unit. Okay, like this one is our first target. Okay, uh, okay, this one is our first target, and my next target was this high. Okay, and my third target was this high. Okay, and this is my last. This one is last. Okay, so now shift to M1. Okay, so our major structure was shift, and now I am waiting for market retest my fair value gap. But unfortunately, unfortunately, again market not fill my gap, just fill volume imbalance and going up. See, almost 20 pips. Okay, this is like 10 pip. Oh, sorry, 1 pips. Okay, this is 1 pip, only 1 pip, and market just going up. Bull. And I am waiting for my maybe possible market comeback or fill my gap, but unfortunately market not fill my gap. And one more thing, here is a news. Okay, see this one news. Ah, Fed chair, Fed chair Paul speaks. Okay, this one is news. Okay, so just simply mark for vertical line like this. So see, here is our news. Now I'm waiting. Maybe when news time come, so market pull back and my order was fulfilled and going up. So I'm waiting for this. And unfortunately, when news come, see market going up and like almost my all TP was hit. See, if you check my risk reward, so this is my risk reward. My first 20 risk reward is almost 1 is to 22, and my second entry risk reward is 1 is to 17. Okay, so my bad luck, my bad. Okay, but this one is my SL loss hit. Okay, because this is my mistake. I am not check H4 area. Okay, I am not check H4 fair value gap anything. Okay, so this is my mistake. So remember, always if you start your day, always start from daily. Okay, check daily to H4, H4 to H1, H1 to M15 or M13. Okay, then enter to M1 and find your entry. Okay, according to your bias. My bias is bullish. Okay, so this is my setup, and this setup is very good. Okay, but unfortunately I am not playing this setup. Okay, and one more thing, this is my journal. Okay, I am daily maintain my journal. Okay, so see, this is my journal and this is my date. Okay, and see, today my bias is buy in M15, market liquidity available, sweep, and I am shift on M1 and find my entry, ban structure shift. Okay, from FVG, but I missed to check H4. Okay, because near H4 fair value gap available. I remember, but enter by unfortunately SL was it. Okay, so that's my mistake. Okay, and going down and fill the gap and create a range. Okay, see, this is our range. Okay, and after create a range, market first confirm IDM. Okay, then market confirm MSS. Sorry, after MSS, market not return to my fair value gap. See, if you see, this is my first fair value gap. Okay, but market not I'm waiting for fair value gap, but market going upside and BOS. Okay, after BOS I'm waiting again fair value gap in M1, but unfortunately market not come back to FPG. Okay, see, this is my second entry, but market not come back my FPG. Okay, and just one candle retracement and going upside, and M in M15 liquidity available, so market going up and hunt the liquidity. My setup was confirmed, but my entry was in FVG and market not come back to FVG. Okay, two times only one candle retest. See, here is also one candle retest, and here is also one candle retest. Okay, so candle retest and pushing upside. So the next time I am thinking, okay, so next time I am thinking, then set up form and criteria fulfill. I am not waiting for fair value gap. Okay, When candle retest, I am enter and SL set last low or high according to setup. Okay, so this is my setup for buy. So next time I remember when this type of setup form. So I am not waiting for proper fair value gap. I'm just enter. Okay, and I set myself like here. Okay, if market come back my fair value gap, so I will re-enter, but the next step I will follow this type of criteria. Okay, so I hope you understand this setup, and I hope you understand like one mistake how, see, my one mistake, and this my setup was perfect setup was I am not play. Okay, here is myself, I don't care myself was it, no matter. Okay, but this entry was very 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 cool. Okay, but unfortunately I'm not playing this setup two times. Okay, like one time here and second time here. My first entry was here, but I say I'm not interested for buy here. I'm always waiting for when inducement, when idiom confirmed. Okay, so I am waiting for almost market structure shift minor. Okay, my this is our minor structure shift, and this is our major structure shift, because sometime when inducement fulfill, this is our low confirm, market going up, and see market going up, and sometime market just liquidity sweep. Okay, liquidity sweep and going down like this and break this low because the trend was down. Okay, the trend was down. So in this trend I am very like find a accurate entry for buy because I am against the trend. Okay, so in this entry, in this setup, I am find proper market structure shift, then I am enter. So that's why I'm not enter here. Okay, so I hope you understand. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you enjoy this setup, and next time this setup form so you can easily catch. Okay, and if you want to be learn how mark daily bias, how I am marking my daily bias. Okay, because daily bias is very important for intraday for scalping. Okay, so if you want this type of videos, so please comment on this video. Okay, so I will try my best for you. Okay, and if you want my daily setup, so please comment in the below comment section, so I will like upload my daily setups. Okay, so this is my video. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you understand. If any confusion, if any problem, you can comment. Okay, or you can DM me. So we will meet you next video. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.